Well, I guess mixed feelings for the Indian team. Couldn't win the tie, but there was some fantastic tennis, not least of all from yourself. What emotions are you carrying away from this tie?
Well, at the moment, the team's a bit down, a bit sad because we've lost 3-2. You know, I don't think anyone really thought that we could take the Serbians 2-3-2, especially a month ago or 2 months ago. But when you get this close and you make it 2-2 and you level the tie and you come back from a 0-2 deficit and make it 2-2 with a lot of passion, a lot of hard work. To sit here at this moment and lose a tough fifth match is a hard one, but I got to give kudos to the Serbian boys for playing a great tie. They kept on persevering. They don't have a Djokovic here, but they yet persevered with the rest of their team, and kudos to them for a job well done, and I wish them good luck down the track, and to our boys a great effort to push this team so hard, and I look forward to the next
They returned the compliment. They were complimenting your match, your doubles match, saying, I mean, the way you pulled it out from 2 sets down, it was just fantastic. And you must be proud of that. In the midst of the defeat, you must be proud of what you did.
Yeah, I mean, as professionals, we got to put our best foot forward, regardless of what the score is, and our whole team fought really hard. Right from the captain to Som to Yuki to all the boys, and I'm very proud of the team for how hard they work, and we just got to go back to the drawing board and work for next year.
And finally, any word for the younger Indian players going ahead? What would you like them to take from this?
Oh, the boys are doing well. Everyone's improving. Everyone's working hard. We've all got about 3 days here to kind of rejuvenate and recover from this tough week of Davis Cup tennis. And then we got some of the boys have got the Asian Games in Korea. The rest of us go back on the tour in Asia to play in either Shenzhen or Kuala Lumpur and get our rankings up and work hard to earn much required ATP points.
It was a tough call, I guess, for players between the Asian Games and the ATP points. Is it always a crisis country or the individual points?
No, I mean, it depends on what your priorities are. It depends on what's relevant for that moment. And that's why we're all here playing for the country here. And we always have. I mean, for my 24 years, I've always put the country first and come out and played. And this year's been a hard year, as all of you have documented a lot. And for me, this fall season is very important to get some job reassurance and some security there in my ranking for next year. I've dropped from number 9 in the world to number 35 in a matter of 10 days. But that's just a culmination of the last 8 months of not being able to play 4 of the 8 months. So for me, this fall season is really, really important with Radek to go out there in Kuala Lumpur, Tokyo, Shanghai, Paris and Valencia, to go out there and really work hard to make our points up. And in between that, get some much required rest.
The support to the player on court from the team was fantastic. So they've also mentioned that the eye contact, the energy. I mean, is that a deliberate decision or has it just happened?
Oh, 100%. The team's a really close-knit team. We all work hard together, and Som was phenomenal in the doubles when we went out there, and we returned the favor yesterday to him when he came out. But right through the whole doubles when we were playing, he just kept on getting me fired up, and he knew that once I got fired up, I'd rub off on Rohan, and once Rohan got fired up, it would rub off on the whole team. So that's how we try and create that domino effect, is we all have our responsibilities on the team. My job is to take the pressure off the team and let them all just swing away and have fun with it, and also with the experience to really kind of rattle the team up and motivate them to get them going.
Thank you so much, Leander. Always a pleasure to see you play well. Leander Paes there. After a brilliant double match which kept India's hopes alive, India couldn't quite pull it off against Serbia, but there was no shortage of excitement here at the KSLTA Stadium in Bangalore. With DM Kumar, Maya Sharma for NDTV.